Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start an Edge with your profile loaded. This ensures you see the passwords saved to your account. Once Edge is open, click the three-dot menu at the top right and choose Settings, then pick Profiles. Make sure you select Passwords. This page lists sites with saved credentials and gives you a search box. You're doing this so you can locate the exact entry quickly. Now move to the specific password entry and prepare to reveal it. Once you've opened Passwords, type the site name into the search field or scroll down to find the row you need. You'll see an obscured password and an eye icon. Click that icon to reveal the password. Edge requires that you authenticate first, enter your Windows PIN, account password, or use fingerprint/face unlock if enabled. This security step prevents unauthorized viewing. After authenticating, you'll see the plain text password and can copy it for immediate use or update the saved entry. After viewing, you can edit or remove the specific entry using the rows options, or export saved passwords from Settings, Profiles, Passwords, Export Passwords if you need a backup. If Edge asks repeatedly for authentication or won't reveal passwords, make sure your Windows account credentials are correct and try signing out and back into your Edge profile. This often resets sync. Finally, keep Edge and Windows up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.